Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show how to create Maven project in IntelliJ. After you have opened IntelliJ, just click on File, go to New and click on Project. Here you can see different project types, Java, Maven, Gradle, and I'm going to select Maven here. If you are using an enterprise edition of IntelliJ, you see various other options and you can select Project SDK from here, which is the Java version. You should have configured the various Java versions. Otherwise, you will see whatever configured Java version. And I'm going to select 1.8. And down you can see the archetypes. If you want to select any one archetype, you have to click on the checkbox, and then you can click on any archetype, and then you can create project from that archetype. I won't select any archetype here, and then I'll click on next. And here you can give the project name. I'll say test2, and this is the location where this project will be created. And here you can see the artifact coordinates. Here you can see group ID, artifact ID, and version. So group ID, now you see the description below. This is the name of the artifact group, usually a company domain. So I would say com dot the backend pro, and then artifact ID. So this is the usually the project name. So I will just give test2 only. Here you can specify the version. So I'm giving the version as 1.0 and just click on finish. So once the project is created, IntelliJ will ask whether you would like to open the project in the same window or a new window. I'll click on the same window, and now you can see the Maven project is created here. And here you can see the compiler source is 8 and compiler target is 8, which means it takes the Java 8 as compiler source, and it creates a class files in the Java 8 version only. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you.